The idea of the open house was to get more community input, as many people as we can. So we opened it up to anybody who wanted to come and get questions answered, talk about what they think. I mean, we have the architects here, we have the advisory council here, there's a bunch of board members here, the superintendent's here. So hopefully the idea was to cover any question that somebody might have and get some information out.
We're here to really try to relay the true story about what's going on with Central and the architectural perspective of the process of how to deal with what's happening over at Central. A lot of the work that's being talked about currently to be done over at Central is life safety work, as we say. How do we bring this building into a more current state for the infrastructure that it can handle another 20, 30 years?
Well, I think community involvement is important. So the more information we can get from the rest of the community, the more blocks we can build with.